This is the Hex Trap Bar, and we've had this for about, I'd say 10 months to a year now, and we've been pleased with this. Nice thing about it is that there are a lot of nice features about it. I use this for squats, for deadlifts. My husband uses this for squats and deadlifts as well, but also shoulder shrugs and upper body stuff. He's a former college football player, so he can use it for a lot of upper body stuff that I typically cannot. So nice thing about it is it has these grips. It has grips on both sides. You can see the nice grips here, and then also if you want to adjust the height or the usage, you can flip it over and use it this way as well in this position. One thing I did want to mention is this is for true Olympic weights. So you need to make sure that your barbells or your plates have 2-inch holes. So they're not, you can't use the plates with the skinny holes. You have to make sure you have the true Olympic 2-inch holes in your plates. In addition, it's nice that it has this textured ridges on the side for safety, I believe, because that way the plates don't just slip off as easily. They help hold them in place. And of course, I always use a collar when I put my weights on, but this just gives extra protection from it from sliding. This is a nice model as well because everything is soldered together. It's not one of those that you put together, so all in one piece. Very sturdy and strong design, very well made. So I wanted to mention that as well. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I put the weight on. So I'm going to use 25-pound plates. Just slide that on. I'm going to put my collar on. You can hear the ribbing from the noise from the textured sides. And then I've got another 25-pound plate on this side. I'm going to place my collar on, and there it is. So I used to use barbells for deadlifts, but I use this now because it provides better support and distributes the weight better. So it's just easy to lift. So I definitely love this setup. I love the Hex bar. Like I said, my husband and I both use it in the gym, and definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice, sturdy, reliable Hex bar. Definitely have been a great addition to our home gym. So definitely recommend it.